Heidelberg Homecoming 2025. All I can say is big Heidelberg. This Heidelberg Homecoming, Heidelberg High School in Heidelberg, Mississippi. I graduated from Heidelberg in 2016. We're about to turn 10 years next year, but I'm gonna rewind it back to all the festivities that done went on, like the parade and the Carnation. And then I'm gonna come back to here because it's the game. We got tailgate. I'm late. I done brought my line sister with me. Hold on, let me make sure it gets the shirt. Hold on. My line sister went here, and my line sister fine. Yeah. Okay, but
cute.
But anywho, we walking. Oh, you gotta turn it this way because it's for YouTube.
Oh, turn it which way?
This way. We walking the street to the game and tailgate. I told my line sister, I don't think the street's too crazy for us to be walking. So we walking to the game. We almost there. When we get there, I'ma fill y'all in on what's going on in big old Heidelberg. Okay, so here's the Carnation. My cousin was Miss Heidelberg Junior High, and me and my other cousin decided to buy her some flowers, and she was just so beautiful, as y'all can see. But I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch the Carnation. They had everything so beautiful, and the theme was shine bright like a diamond. Okay, girl.
But more than anything, I am excited about what we can accomplish together this year. Our school is full of so many people with so many bright, talented, and kind individuals. The future is ours to shape, and I believe that together we can make it right. Let's continue to support one another, lift each other up, and encourage each other to be the best version of ourselves. Let's live with purpose, kindness, and faith in our hearts, knowing that God has a plan for each of us. Thank you so much for this incredible honor. I appreciate your love, support, and belief in me. I am so proud to be a part of this school and excited to see what it's going to test. God bless.
Go late. Is it cold?
I know you can. Don't say I don't want to put you on camera. Say hey Made it to the school. Now we just gotta walk a little more to get to the gym.
It ain't even on top, nigga. She gets the top.
Yes! Yes! On my blog. Yo, my brother said he ain't supposed to be him. And then my brother over there. I really thought long and hard before coming back on here to end this homecoming vlog. Sadly, homecoming did not end the way that it started. Everything was going good until it wasn't. Just in case you guys are watching this video and you haven't heard, but at tailgate, 2 people was unalive. A lot of people were injured, and I so happened to be in the mix, and also my family, friends, and most of the Heidelberg community was definitely running for their lives. And it's something that has never happened before. Community is just left devastated. Unfortunately, one of the lives that were lost was my classmate, and we were just getting ready to celebrate 10 years next year of not losing a classmate, just celebrating life. And yeah, it was my first adult homecoming. Like when I went to school, college and all that good stuff, I never came back to a homecoming at Heidelberg. And I probably had my reasons, I don't know, but it was never because of like I'm afraid that something tragic is going to happen. I just never did. And I'm like, hey, you know, they talk about how good it gets in Heidelberg at homecoming. I'm like, this is about to be my first one. And yeah, definitely praying for the families that lost their loved one, praying for my class, praying for the Heidelberg community, because not only was lives lost in Heidelberg, this whole entire weekend, and it's all over Mississippi. And I don't know. This world is full of wicked and cruel people. What happened at Heidelberg definitely could have happened anywhere. Just be aware of your surroundings, the people that you associate yourself with, just all around. Like, just be aware, because there are some messed up people in this world. And it's not the world that's a bad place. It's the people that's in it. Praying that justice is served, that they get everybody that's involved. But I know a God, and because I know a God, I know justice is going to be served. I know that this will be something that Heidelberg will never forget. I just want to take a moment of silence for the families who have lost their loved ones all over Mississippi. Because literally, they did not deserve that. Like, nobody deserves that. Nobody deserves to come to an event thinking you are about to have a great time. Here go somebody with the foolery. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.